Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we're going to be fitting a tow bar. So we've got a brand new Ssangyong Musso in. Just picked it up from the dealership and he's brought it straight here to have a tow bar fitted. Just wanted to do a video really, just to show the process in the tow bar. A lot of people may think they're a quick job, where in reality, I mean, you got the tow bar kit, various nuts and bolts. We have to remove the bumper, like on most vehicles. And if you just show you the wiring, it's not just as straightforward as scotch locking into the rear lights, as I've seen many times in the past. A lot more advanced now wiring. You've got control unit, got plugs that go into the vehicle, CAN wires, power supplies. So yeah, not as straightforward or as simple as people may make out. So we'll do this video and we'll let you all follow the process. Sorry about that everyone, the battery went flat on the GoPro. So we've got all the mounting brackets on. Goes around the exhaust. There's also a support bracket, then bolted through the chassis legs. Near sides, different shape bracket, obviously to fit around the blue tank. So yeah, we did have to drill the chassis rails in the back for the back bolts to fit the sleeves in. 19.5 millimeter drill bit. Yeah, my only advice is when you get to this stage, don't tighten the bolts up just yet, because when we go to fit the last piece, you've got a little bit of movement to get your bolts in and out. But yeah, now we've got to refit the bumper before we go any further, and then fit the last remaining piece. Yeah, I'll get that on now. So it's the bumper back on, tow bar all on, all the bolts torqued. You will find with the instructions you'll have some torque settings. Make sure that the bolts are all torqued. See what's specified. You are responsible for fitting the tow bar, so if anything goes wrong, tow bar falls off down the road with a caravan on the back, that's your responsibility. So that needs to be tightened up to what they specify. But yeah, just got to put the ball on and the electrics now. So we'll get going. So we've just done the wiring, Really simple system, and the customer supplied the Towbar electrics, and it's the OE kit. So we've got the power to connect to the battery in a minute, some relay underneath. Here the wires come up and they just piggyback off the lights. So yeah, really simple system. It's quite surprised really. And the power to the front underneath, up to the battery, piggyback off the rear lights, and yeah, that's it. So I'll just get all that trims and lights put back together. So yeah, we've seen a lot of tow bars, especially this year, with people not being able to go aboard as easily. And then now the towing laws changed, so probably be seeing a few more tow bars being fitted. But yeah, that's one done. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll upload some more videos for you.